I do have to say that the Dremel is turning out to be probably our most valuable tool. As you can see, it's just a handheld brand name Dremel. And I've got these 1.5 maybe inch grinding plates, which right now I need to see if I have it on backwards. I can't tell. I think I have it on backwards. Anyway, I was getting into this wheel well, and it's all being held by that one little screw. That's the only thing holding everything together, so I gotta take the Dremel and go through that, and then the rest of the thing will all just come up.
So somebody decided to screw stuff in instead of rivet, which has been making things very difficult. And I can't tell you how much money we have spent on different tools and different ideas, but the best one seems to be the Dremel, and just drilling across so that there's a nice deep channel for the flathead. And then we're using this, the blaster, and there it goes. Voila! Finally. Oh my goodness, we lost sleep over this one.
Yes, we did. All right, we're in business.
Yay, good job. Actually, if you could get me a bigger drill bit.